Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayong hapon sa tanan. It's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon here in Davao City or anywhere, of course. Isa na may orasan ang Pilipinas. At this moment, nakita na ko parang gloomy na sad ang weather din sa Davao. Actually, nag-ulan na siya. Pero kagahin ng buntag from early in the morning up to 11 o'clock na ay gwapo nga sunshine. Nag-aadlaw naman siya. But 12 o'clock biglang nag-gloomy ug nagtaligsik. Actually at around 1:30 medyo nag-ulan siya. Dili man kayo noon kusog pero gaulan na siya. Nag-gloomy pag-usap ang Davao. Parang may LPA or parang may coming na typhoons. And just a while ago I have seen the actual video clips of the places of Davao del Norte and Davao de Oro. Grabe ang ilahang lunop dito. Parang grabe ang baha. So nakita na ko ang mga tao. I am really sad. I am so sad. So all my advice is continue to be strong. People of Southern Mindanao area, Davao de Oro and Davao del Norte. Have faith in God, continue to pray because things happen for a reasons and everything has a purpose. Continue to pray and ask guidance, ask protections from God because God will continue to heal our lands. God bless us all.